This is Jason Fulton from Craftsman Remodeling and Carpentry LLC out of Guilford, Connecticut. Why don't you take a trip back with me to 1961, 55 years ago, where we have some new peel and stick here, the old Luan doors, nice pink mauve tiles throughout, pink cast iron tub, and there's the tiles again. We got the original peel and stick in there, original sink. We're going to be pulling out the sink, doing new tile floors, pull out the cast iron tub, the walls, at least for the tub surround, put in a new Sterling unit, single lever valve, all new fixtures. The vanity, not sure what we're doing with that yet. Customer's picking that out, but we're going to pull it out, fix the plumbing underneath. And the toilet, hopefully that gets replaced too. But we're going to end up pulling that out, and we'll make sure that it's actually installed straight when we put it back in. And that's about it. Stay tuned. So we got the walls ripped out. About to bust out this cast iron tub, which I think is Queen E. But anyways, got all the walls ripped out. Looks like they had a roof leak in the past. And the sheetrock was all moldy. As you can see, the studs still have some remnants on it. And, you know, if I open up the walls, not covering it over, you can find what you need to replace. Like here, that has some water running down that pipe right there. I look closer at it, it looks like it's got a little pinhole right in there. You can't really see it too well, but anyways, we're gonna bust out this tub, disconnect the trap downstairs because it's old copper pipes, and not sure if rerun a whole new line or just put a new trap and a waste and overflow, along with the new valve riser going up there, and then we'll get the Sterling unit in. Here we go. Whew, that was easier than I thought. Man, it looked easy on YouTube. And we're back. Got the tub out of here. Cut out the trap, waste and overflow. Got the new valve set up. Tested, all good. And a little extra damage here, but that's alright. We'll take it out a little bit further, cut it straight down all the way. Planning on putting 3/4 over this old plank subfloor, but that's about it. Once we cut this out, I'll put some cross joists over here because they cut the joists out underneath. We'll do that, and then get the new 3/4 plywood straight across, repair over here, and then the 3/4 when it goes straight across, be nice and solid once it's all done. I was planning on putting the 3/4 in anyways, so this little bit extra cutting out here take me an extra 10-15 minutes, whatever. So that's not, I hate doing change orders. If it's nothing major, I'm not gonna write a change order for it. Stay tuned. And we're back. This is the same bathroom. We're pretty much just wrapping up right now. Got the new tile floor in, cement backer board down below that. Floor still squeaks outside the bathroom. Just got a couple of things to do. Got to cut the doors down a little bit. threshold coming in, and the customer painted the tiles. Came out pretty well, pretty good. And we got the new vanity in. I believe this is the Home Decorators 48-inch vanity. Just made it underneath. New toilet. We're replacing that. And we got the Sterling cord tub. That's all in, finished up. Customers don't paint the walls. We taped 3 coats of compound, all set there. So we leave that excussion there loose so they can pull it out, paint. And we got the Moen posse temp valve. Drains all hooked up. Everything's set, a little trim right there. Pretty much wrapped up. This job was pretty straightforward. As you can see, there's caulk on the floor there, and caulk around it so the compound doesn't break. And there's no caulk inside, so you don't have to worry about maintaining it, except for around the spout there. So you don't have to worry about maintaining any caulk in the corners, between the tub and the walls. So it's very easy to maintain, keep clean. It's a great setup. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll have some more videos in the future. Stay tuned.